This looks like it could be a really good booking system for your business. What could your business be? Maybe you run classes like yoga, or you're a barber or a hairdresser. And actually, one of the examples I'm going to show you in this video is actually quite spooky. And it's a booking system for, I'm guessing, surgeons. And it shows what they charge an hour. So it's quite an in-depth video, this. Well, I'm actually going to be able to show you the front end of example businesses and how it works. It's a WordPress plugin, and how you, once it's installed, can change everything, add people to it, the appointments, and all of the services within your WordPress website. It's called Amelia, and I think it's worth a look. Here we go. So these are the front ends. These are examples of front end sites you could set up with Amelia. I just want to show you this one first, just because, it's a bit scary. So it's set up for a medical clinic, and I'm guessing it's where you can book your services. We're from the UK, so if you're watching this abroad, well, listen, we have the problems with the NHS, but we never. So you can book your own surgery, it's looking like here. And you can choose your surgeon. I don't know. I shouldn't laugh about it. But yeah, no, I mean, there you go. If you're a dentist or you're a clinic, you can show all of the different types of surgery and people can book them. And I'm sure you'll be able to link up your employees so that they can take the booking. That was the one that I looked at that was a bit like, whoa, but also more traditional now. A barber. Okay, so you want to book a barber cut, you want a haircut, and you want to book the buzz cut. Okay, and then you're going to pick your date. So you're going to pick your date and time. So I want Daniel Craig to book my cut. Press continue. You can even offer specials. Hey, why don't you have a beard pomade and a classic hot lather shave? Yeah, I'll do that. Okay. I think the most I've ever paid for a haircut is a tenner. Terrible, aren't I? As you can tell. So you pick your employee, and then you find the date you want to book it. It'll show you the dates that this employee is available. You book your slot. So that is the front end. Okay. Let's show you another example. There's the health one. Yoga. So you have a yoga studio or a fitness studio, and you've got all your different classes, and you set it up so that you can book a cardio class. And who you're going to click it? I'm going to book it with Dana. Lose weight in 3 months. So I'm guessing that is a package. Yes, you would book that as a 3-month package for $798. I'm going to leave this software reviewing business. I'm going to start doing classes, or maybe become a surgeon. Right, so that's the front end. What's that one? That's some other software I've just reviewed. Forget that. No editing in 2023. Honestly, if you do videos like me, this is not me being lazy. And I think, just tell me in the comments if you'd rather have the videos like this. You can take hours editing. So and with all AI software making everything so slick, I just thought I'm going to keep it real this year. A few mistakes, watch the videos. If I start waffling, just fast forward me, like now. Right, so this is the actual backend. So you would install Amelia onto your WordPress site, and then you will be able to set it up. So there's the dashboard. You'll show the calendar there, so you'll be able to have a look at the calendar, and you'll be able to see the appointments that are booked for people, the hours of the appointment, what the payments is they're going to get. Let me just see the calendar. Is that up there? Right, so you'll be able to view what's been booked in for the different people on your calendar. You'll be able to see all of the appointments for each employee at a glance. If you've got special events, you'll be able to create, like the yoga ones there, create brand new events there and set them up onto it. You'll be able to add all your employees onto there, and then obviously I presume make changes. So yes, what do they do? And presumably what services. Yeah, assign services. There we go. The work hours, their days off. So this is great, isn't it? If you've got multiple locations, you can add them into it. It's also got your customer database that you can add customers into. I'm not sure. Presumably they can join on the site as well. Double check that. It's got the financials. So you can presumably, well, I'll have to double check if you can actually receive money. Just a little bit to add in as I edit the video. So yes, you can integrate it with WooCommerce, Molly, PayPal, Stripe, or Razorpay. So yes, you can take those payments on your website. Cheers. You can set it up to choose which notifications you receive, like appointment approved, pending, rejected, cancelled, etc. And you can customize it. You can choose the look of it. You can have the catalogue look, or the step-by-step look, or the booking forms look. So you can set it all up within Amelia. Pick your colours, pick the look of it, and it looks good. Got quite excited with that. I just need something to sell people so they can book it. All right. Yeah, quite impressed. Link in the description if you want to try it out for yourselves and see how you go with it. So that is Amelia. I'm trying to think if there's obviously other booking systems like Calendly, but this really looks like it's something that you put on your website and it can run the full process. So a little bit more advanced than just a sort of little Calendly link you put on your site. I like that a lot. Tell me what you think. That is Amelia. And don't forget, if you subscribe to my channel, I smile more. Cheers, everyone. See you soon.